In this lecture, we'll be looking at trends and the nouns used to describe trends. But before we go any further, what are trends? Let's have a look at the definition. Trends are the overall direction of a market or an asset's price. They can be upwards, downwards, or sideways, flat. To help us understand this further, let's have a look at the picture and apply the word trends to a sentence. Trends also occur in data, such as when monthly financial data rises or falls from month to month. Let's now move on to our learning objective for this lecture, which is simply to learn words and phrases to describe trends. Let's start off with an activity. Complete the names of nouns used to describe trends. Activity tip: the meaning of the word is provided. Use this meaning to guess the word. Here we have a word which has missing letters, and the meaning of the word is to become lesser, smaller in size or quantity number. So it becomes lesser, it goes down. Can you guess what the word is? Press the pause button now. And the right answer is decrease. To become lesser, smaller in size or quantity number. Let's now apply the word to a sentence and also look at the picture, which helps to describe what decrease means. There has been a steady decrease in the number of visitors. Our next word means when something becomes less in amount, importance, quality, or strength. Press the pause button now and have a guess. The correct answer is decline. When something becomes less in amount, importance, quality, or strength. Let's apply the word to a sentence. The company reported a small decline in its profits. Let's have a look at our next word and its meaning. A sudden fall in the level or amount of something. Press the pause button now. And the right answer is dip. A sudden fall in the level or amount of something. And let's have a look at this sentence. The dip in company revenue could be a sign that people no longer like our product. Here's our next word. What does it mean? A fall in the amount or value of something. Drop. The recent drop in magazine subscriptions is causing some concern. And here's our next word and the meaning: a situation when the number or amount of something becomes smaller. Press the pause button now and have a guess. And the right answer is fall. A situation when the number or amount of something becomes smaller. Let's apply the word to a sentence. There was a fall in the price of petrol recently. Our next word, here's the meaning. A severe or prolonged fall in the price, value, or amount of something. Press the pause button now and have a guess. And the right answer is slump. A severe or prolonged fall in the price, value, or amount of something. Let's apply the word to a sentence. The slump in sales meant the business was at risk of bankruptcy. Our next word, its meaning: an irregular rising and falling in number or amount, a variation. Press the pause button. And the right answer is fluctuation, an irregular rising and falling in number or amount, a variation. And this picture demonstrates a fluctuation. Let's have a look at a sentence with this word. The company reported fluctuation in sales over a 6-month period. Our next word's meaning: an increase in an amount, a number, or a level. Press the pause button now. And the correct answer is rise. An increase in an amount, a number, or a level. Let's apply the word to a sentence. A sharp rise in oil prices could disrupt the economic recovery. On to our next word and its meaning: a rise in the size, amount, or degree of something. Press the pause button now. And the right answer is increase. A rise in the size, amount, or degree of something. Apply the word to a sentence. There has been a significant increase in the number of shareholders. And our next word and its meaning: an increase in economic activity. Have a guess? Press the pause button now. And the right answer is growth. An increase in economic activity. The sentence: the annual rate of growth has been 12%. This is a great success story for the organization. Our next word, its meaning: a high point in a course of development. Press the pause button now. And the right answer is peak. A high point in a course of development. And a sentence with this word: the graph shows that the business reached a peak 2 years ago. Overall, there are many nouns to describe trends, and these are really useful to know when working in accounting. We can expand our vocabulary further in the next lecture by learning the adverbs and verbs used to describe trends. So go to the next lecture now.